Hello and welcome to the Student Life University Housing Contract video series. This video focuses on what happens after your space reservation fee and filing fee have been paid. Once you go through the entire new student contract, you'll be prompted to sign the contract and submit payment, which involves a $50 filing fee and a $300 space reservation fee. If you're 18 years old or older and choose at the beginning of the contract to sign electronically, you'll need to enter your Ohio State username and birth date. Please note that if your birthday or month is single digit, to only use the digit and not include any leading zeros. If you are under the age of 18, or if you chose to sign a paper contract, then you will need to print the contract signature page and sign it with a parent or guardian. You can upload this signed document back to the housing portal. Once the signature page has been reviewed and approved, you'll receive an email to complete payment of the contract. If you prefer, you can mail your signed paper contract signature page with a check or money order for the $350 payment to our office instead. After payment has been processed, you're done. Congratulations on successfully submitting the contract. If you decide to change your room preferences, your roommate group, or your dining plan, you are able to go back through the contract and make these changes until June 1st, regardless of when your contract was fully completed. We plan to email everyone their housing assignments in mid-July. If your plans change and you are no longer attending The Ohio State University in the fall, please contact University Housing as soon as possible.